How do you publish a book on Amazon? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure that your manuscript is thoroughly edited and formatted. Amazon accepts various formats, but uploading a well-formatted EPUB file is recommended for books. Next, create an eye-catching cover that meets Amazon specifications. You can use Amazon's free cover creator tool or design your own. Now go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Once logged in, tap on the Create button and select either Kindle ebook or paperback depending on your preference. Now, go ahead and enter your book details, that is, title and subtitle, author information, description, that is, write a compelling description to attract potential readers, and finally, keywords and categories. Select relevant keywords and categories to help readers find your book. Now, upload your manuscript and cover. Once uploaded, preview your book. Use the online previewer to check how your book will appear to readers. Ensure there are no formatting issues. You will then be required to set pricing and royalties. Set your book's price for ebooks pricing between $2.99 and $9.99 qualifies for a 70% royalty rate in certain territories. Further, go ahead and publish your book. Once all the details are filled in and you have reviewed your book, tap on the Publish Your Kindle ebook option or Publish Your Paperback, and this is how you can publish a book on Amazon. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.